If you're interested in growing your YouTube channel, this video is for you. Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about the things that you're not doing. It's how you are not growing your YouTube channel, or how to not grow it. But a lot of YouTubers are not growing their YouTube channel, not necessarily on purpose, but it's because of a number of things that they may not be doing, that they just don't know that they're supposed to be doing. And some of these things I think you probably do know, but I'm going to touch upon them as well, just to make sure they're covered, and possibly to give you maybe a little push or shove in the right direction, which I hope will be of help. I think the first thing that I see that a lot of YouTubers are not doing is being consistent. If you're going to get on YouTube, you need to be consistent. Whatever consistent means to you, whatever's comfortable with you. In other words, you need to make a video once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a day, whatever's going to work for you, and do make a quality video. Do your best to make quality videos. So you want to make sure you make good content. If you're not making good content, that's one of the things that you're not doing. If it's not good content, then that's not going to grow your channel. If you're not publishing on a consistent basis, that's not going to grow your channel. There's some other things that you're probably not doing. Number one is you're probably not learning about YouTube. If you're going to grow a business, you need to learn about the business. There's no getting around it. You don't have a choice. I don't have a choice. If you want to become a good YouTuber, you're going to have to learn as much as you can about YouTube. Now, YouTube Creators has got everything that you and I need. I'll leave a link below. They're going to tell you everything from equipment to audience retention to thumbnails to everything you need to know. Something that you're probably not doing just because you may not know that it's a good idea to do it. When you're finished with your video, you want to be hitting that like button. Yeah, it's your own video. Hit the like button anyways and leave a comment. The reason is that YouTube likes that, where you want to make YouTube happy, and one of the things they want to see is likes. So give yourself a like, and the other thing they want to see is comments. Give yourself a comment. The comment, make the comment, try to add value to your video. When you make your comment, try to add value to your video. But those are a couple of things. Now, the other thing that you're probably not doing is sharing your video. Sharing is going to give you what are called backlinks from major websites. You should be sharing with sites like Facebook. And actually, if you hit the share button, if you hit share below your video, above your comments, hit that share, you will find Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Mix, Tumblr, Reddit, some of the best sites in the world that you would want to share your content with, number one. So number one, you're sharing it with the best sites in the world, giving yourself an opportunity to get seen by more people, and then they will hopefully click and come to your video or want more. The other thing that you're getting, even if nobody did anything, is you're getting what are called backlinks, powerful backlinks from some of the best, again, the best websites in the world. These backlinks add value to your channel, at least in Google and YouTube's eyes, and most any other search engine, as far as I know, all search engines. The more backlinks that you have, the more valuable your channel is considered to be. Also, the more likes, the more comments, not necessarily subscribers, but likes and comments. So give yourself a like, give yourself a comment, and share your channel with those websites. I typically share with just about every website except for Pinterest and Twitter. I probably put about 10 different videos or more, all back to this channel. So I'm picking up 75 backlinks right there, probably by sharing. Then I would suggest that you, which you're probably not doing, I would suggest that you go ahead and find some Facebook groups, forum groups, whatever groups that you can find that would be related to your niche. I would probably at least find 5 or 10, if not more. And then share your content with those groups. Find those groups, join them. 99% of them will accept you almost instantly or within 24 hours. And then go ahead when you do a video, post it on those groups, and then interact on those groups if you would. The reason is that now you're a participating member, and that will encourage those members, group members, to watch a video. And what that means is that here you are, you've made a video, and you've done these, you've shared it, you've got a like and a comment and so on, you've gone to Facebook, you've gone to Twitter, you've joined some groups. Your video looks way better than my video that I didn't do nothing. I put it on there, and I didn't do a like, I didn't do a comment, I didn't share, I didn't know I was supposed to. So I didn't do any of that. And whose video do you think is going to get watched? Your video. Haven't subscribed yet, and this is something that is of interest to you or of value to you, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell. And I still got it backwards. I always get that backwards. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.